когда здесь приложились великие артиллеристы. О, веточки посекло.
Живы? Ой. Попало? Мужики!
Мужики, помощь!
Так, ну, давай, бля, куда? Мы его себе... Попало, да?
Попало, да? Грэм, или может быть это?
Спину.
Спина.
В спину попало. Куда? В спину, давай, подержу.
Спину. Он спускался, Жора, мы его сюда отводили.
Давай, поднимай его. Давай.
Сильно? Тебя осколка попал?
Нет, вроде нет.
Дырки есть? Вот, куда? Дырки.
Посмотрите спину мою.
So yeah, firstly it's shock and then it's painful and then whatnot. But yeah, this was a piece that they took out of my body that was still in, that they took out. So it's, I think it's 1.5 by 0.8. So it feels real. I mean, definitely when you have an actual piece of rocket fire, I'm not sure what this is.
And you see it here as well.
Yeah.
Here, and I think here too.
So really lucky and.
Oj.
I think it was the two passports, and they took the Russian one. They were convinced I was Russian one last time in captivity, but I think I'll be alright. We'll do a bit more, manage to crack on a bit more, and then take a little break.